Nursing your baby is a journey filled with learning, patience, and love. Whether you are a first-time mother or adding to your family, these simple tips can help make the experience smoother. Find a comfortable position first. Many mothers prefer a supportive chair with armrests, along with a nursing pillow to help hold the baby at the right height. Pay attention to your baby's hunger cues. Signs like rooting, sucking on hands, or smacking lips often appear before crying. Stay hydrated and nourished. Your body uses extra energy and fluids to produce milk, so drinking water throughout the day and eating balanced meals supports your milk supply. Do not be afraid to switch sides during a feeding. Offering both breasts helps maintain balanced milk production. Watch for signs that your baby is finishing a feeding, such as slower sucking or appearing relaxed and sleepy. If you experience soreness or discomfort, it may be a sign that the latch needs adjusting. Reaching out to a lactation consultant can help resolve these issues quickly. Trust yourself, and know that every feeding is a step forward